So for this one, you're gonna need like a small towel roll. Just roll it up rather tightly till it's about this size. And you're gonna lay on your side and try to give your neck a little support, so you can grab maybe a pillow or a yoga block just to put underneath your head. So your knees should be about 90 degrees, hips about 90 degrees, maybe a little bit less depending on the person. And your feet are gonna be on the wall. So they should be about hip width apart. And you're gonna put the towel roll in between your knees. So go ahead, rest your upper body. So your upper body should be relatively straight. And I want you to feel your heels on the wall. So now go ahead, do that little scoop under. And again, feel those heels on the wall. And I want you to be more aware of that left heel and slightly pull it back so that you feel kind of your hamstring kick in. So I want you to be aware of that hamstring on your left side. So as you inhale, you're going to shift your hip back, keeping that point of contact on the wall with your heel so you feel your hamstring kick in. And then when you exhale, I want you to drive your knee into the towel. Inhale, shift back, maybe a little bit more. You might not be able to go far. Exhale, push downward into the towel. So you're gonna feel those inside groin muscles kick in. You're still gonna be aware of that hamstring on that left side. And then again, like we've done with all these other exercises, you should feel that lower belly tension more so on the exhale, but you're still staying aware of it on the inhale as well. So I'm gonna go back to the starting position. Everything relatively neutral. I'm doing that little scoop of my pelvis, again, more or less depending on the person. Feel my feet on the wall, feel those heels. I got my hamstring kicking in. So I'm gonna inhale, shift this hip backwards. So my knee, hip, everything is just moving backwards without arching through my back. So shift backwards. The towel's gonna roll backwards with you as I inhale. Exhale. Push inwards towards the towel. I feel my groin kind of kick in. If you get to a point where it starts to hurt or feel crampy, just go to a range short of where you are and it feels crampy. So to get crampy or painful back here, just move a little bit more forward so you're not in that crampy range. Again, hamstrings, inner groin muscles, and you're feeling those lower belly muscles. So I'll go through it again. And you'll notice towards those later sets, you might not be able to move too much into those end ranges because you're already there. But the whole purpose is to, again, feel those hamstring muscles. So feel anchored to the ground, feel those inner groin muscles, and feel those muscles on the left side of your lower belly kick in. Again, while maintaining all of this relatively neutral. If you feel lower back pain when you're doing this or some lower back tightness, you might be overarching or over rounding. So again, you might have to maybe move away from the wall or maybe just fix the position of your upper back. And then again, also make sure you're feeling that hamstring. So heel on the wall, keep that hamstring engaged and keep those lower belly muscles engaged.